Let us explore the career path in AR and VR. So before starting the presentation and the process, so that's where I can give you one assurance from these technologies. So if you are someone who want to graduate or nearly at the final year of their BTech, so if you want to grab something, I mean, in your career path where you don't want to work on coding skills or maybe those type of IT sector. So I think this is the best option that right now in the market which is available, and it is also high paying skill. So let us explore the AR and VR career today. Okay. So myself, I am Krishna Vamshi, the founder and CEO of GenX Reality. So the career path. So as if we there are only 11 things so in the meet, so we will conclude everything in 11 steps. So first we will introduce, I mean, about the augmented reality and virtual reality, and second I will explain what my company is doing and what we are trying to do, and third, so why choose AR VR career, and next is salary trends and hiring process, and also the top software and tools that you need to learn to grab a good job, and also the top certifications you required, so that's where you can grab a high salary, and also the educational pathways and types of career in AR VR, and also the portfolio which is important for you, and also future trends to watch, and later on at the last we will be having Q&A session. So exploring AR and VR opportunities. So let us take, I mean, give you a brief introduction about what is augmented reality. So if you I mean, you mostly use the Snapchat filters, right? So those are AR overlays digital informations. So that's where you use different type of filters where they stick to your face. So that's those are the primary objective. I mean, I can give you example regarding the augmented reality. And also there are many things in augmented reality like playing games, and there are many information like you can scan a QR on the product, so that's where it can be displayed in augmented reality. And there are many type of products available in augmented reality. And let's take go to virtual reality. So it is fully immersive. That's where the 360-degree environment of your reality will be virtual, so that's where it called as virtual reality. So for augmented reality we most need the mobile phones. Right now it is capable of deploying augmented reality in the mobile phones. And the virtual reality, we can use the mobile phones with the, I mean, headset which is right now available in the market. Like if we seen, like Geo has released its own virtual reality headset where it's cost around 1,500 rupees, where you can immerse yourself in the cricket stadium like IPL matches and those things. So to design those type of virtual reality, we can see many applications in Google Play Store. If you have one headset, I mean, if you go through them, so you can understand what is mean by virtual reality. So the two things which right now booming in India is the edtech and also the gaming sector, and also the healthcare. And also there are many things like military training and marketing and retail sector. So the AR VR is mostly used in these sectors right now in India. So when we go to the career growth, so it is the, I mean, rapid growing, because the career option right now there are very few people, and there is no I mean, like, ready educational ready aspects for these technologies. So if you go to LinkedIn and try to search for AR VR, I mean, jobs or maybe internships, you can find a lot of people are posting it, but there are very few people who got I mean, get the job, because of they are not properly trained on these two technologies. Mostly they are from IT and CSA background. So nowhere in our education system where we learn about AR and VR. So that's the only point which I want to say. So if you are only interested in this technology, you will go to Google and or maybe YouTube, or you try to read documentations or maybe books. So that's where you can learn the AR VR technology. Maybe the AI right now it is in the curriculum, but the AR VR in most colleges it is not available, so you can learn. So Yeah, so that's where the skill development is the essential. So that's where we require programming and also the 3D modeling. That's where it is related to creativity and also UX design. It is crucial for AR VR development. So there are many innovative technologies evolving. So right now, if you I can name you one thing. So Facebook has changed its entire name into Meta because of the metaverse. It is also the extended and virtual reality of the company. So imagine a biggest company in the world is trying to lead the virtual reality and the extended reality, and changing their name into Meta is something which we you can understand. It's not like the Infosys or Wipro or many other companies like IT companies, but imagine a biggest company and largest company in the world is trying to wave, I mean, the path to the AR and virtual reality. You can see many products are launched from the Meta regarding the glasses and also the Quest, where we see virtual reality headsets and mixed reality headsets from them. So let us discuss. I mean, it will be like 1 to 2 minutes about our company vision. So that's why we are a innovative tech company where we're actually building the virtual reality headset, and also we even building the software required. So that's where I mean enterprises training and educational platforms, and also we are healthcare modules, and also AR enhancing marketing, and also talent development. Right now we given more than 22-25 internships to the people in the augmented reality sector. And also we are developing, I mean, we are trying to educate the students with the cutting edge projects, and also preparing them to the next generation of tech leaders. So, and also the impact because of the accessibility and scalability and impactfulness of this technology, because you can experience the technology rather than coding and sitting doing coding. So it is a different sector, and it is different ideology for the thing. So actually we are a hardware developing company where we are right now in prototyping stage, where we develop our virtual reality headsets like the Meta Quest and Apple Vision Pro, if you know about them. So choosing the AR VR career. So right now it's approximately 40% growth in this job posting. I mean, we have seen a surge in these jobs right now. So it will be the future jobs, I can say. But right now, even myself at second year, by doing a simple project, I have gotten a 40,000 package. I mean, it's I can say it's as internship at my second year. So by doing, I mean, I spent less than 1 month on this technology, and I completed the certification, and I did a basic project. So that's how I got an internship at the central government. So that's it's like in a matter of 1 month, I have got the internship at the central government. They are actually working on the augmented and virtual reality website. So that's how fast, and that's how, yeah. So yeah, that is there any problem?
If you have any questions, you can share it in the
No, no,
chat
no, no.
box.
I think someone added right now, so they have unmuted themselves. I just muted it. No worries.
Okay, okay. Yeah, we will continue. So combines creativity and technology. That's how the AR VR uniqueness blends creativity, technology, and innovation. So it is the, I mean, that's where we can say it's as a explore dynamic. So it is entirely designing the universe, like I mean the environment, and we require the 3D modeling, Blender, and those are the softwares we require to do it. So it is the high paying and future proof, because right now it is at this stage where the AI chat GPT thing, it is back like 2017. So I can say this 2025, it's too late right now. But I think if you are in your final years, and if you want to choose a different career path with high growth, so I think this AR VR will be the best path you can choose. So the salary trends and hiring companies. So there are big companies like Meta and Apple and even Microsoft who are driving the innovation in the AR VR. So the entry level salaries in India is approximately 4 to 7 LPA, for the developers, and also senior role we can see it's around 130K to 180K dollars globally, because I think most, I mean, senior role global salaries are from the Meta and Apple and Microsoft. So that's where we mentioned it in dollars. And also there are many startups like us, and also many like Magic Leap, and those are the startups who are right now hiring the AR/VR in the AR/VR space. So Indian salary is high paying, and also global salary is also high paying. So let us understand the tools and how we can be in this sector, and how we can get a job or maybe any internship. So the first thing is the game development, and there are, I mean, software like Unity 3D and Unreal Engine. So these are the two softwares you can see. I mean, we use them to build anything like the augmented reality or maybe virtual reality applications. Everything we use the both softwares. So you need to do certifications, and also I think you need to watch some tutorials on how to use the Unity 3D and Unreal Engine. So this is the two softwares you need to learn. And also the 3D design and animation, that's where you need to know about the Blender and Maya. So that's where you can play with the 3D models and try to animate them and to create a virtual reality or augmented reality models in them. So there are some SDKs and toolkits like AR Core from the Google. So that's where you can use them to build website with the AR and also virtual reality apps through the SDKs. And also, as we discussed, I mean, hardware, purely hardware related, that's where the MetaQuest and OpenXR are the two SDKs where we use them to develop the apps, games for the headset. Okay. And also the bonus tool, the OpenCV and 3.js, that's where we use them to build in websites. So for using augmented reality and virtual reality, we use them. So essentials of AR/VR certifications. So that's where you need to be Unity certified associate. So that's where you can just Google it in about Unity, and you can join their course and get the certificate. It will be very easy. And also the Unity thing where you even need to know about the game development. So that's where you will develop games in virtual reality. And also there is a Meta AR developer certification. Even it's free, you can go there, I mean, just Google it, so you can find the certification you require. And also the specialization certificate next. So if you have the Unity certificate, and also maybe if you are interested in Unreal Engine, so if you have these both, I think you 100% in a month you will grab a job. I am giving you that assurance. So this is the path how, I mean, if you want to getting started, maybe if you are a third year or maybe second year, so you need to learn about Unity or Unreal Engine and try to build some projects in it. Or there are many hackathons right now going. Even right now at Bangalore, there is a hackathon going on right now regarding the AR, VR, and AI. So mostly AR, VR are used for educational purposes. So that's where they can get creative learning and skills. So you can join the hackathons, and please maintain everything in your GitHub regarding the designs which you do and the games you develop. So, and also there is a path, I mean, you can choose your own personal website where you can show your portfolio regarding the augmented reality and virtual reality. And also you can collaborate and do interns at different type of company like Gen X Reality or maybe any companies. You can find them at different platforms. So this is the 5 steps path where you can start your career in AR VR thing.
So there is a question.
Okay.
How does system contributes AR and VR hardwares, and especially in the area of sensor functions and real-time processing?
I mean, I am unable to hear your voice properly. If you
How do the systems contribute AR and VR hardwares, especially in the areas like sensor or real-time process?
Okay, okay. So the sensors, it's mostly related to the hardware part. Okay. So the hardware right now, the Meta Quest or maybe the headsets right now available at the market has the depth sensor cameras and also the 6 degree of freedom sensors. So that's where we use them to map in a 3D environment. So that's where we can immerse them into the environment. That's where the thing, and also the computational power, because of it requires like GPUs. So where if we want to calculate every aspect and the movement of head movement and also the body movement, so that's where we use the cameras and also the 6 degree of freedom or maybe 3 degree of freedom sensors. So that's where we combine both of them to make you feel in the virtual reality. So mostly augmented reality, it's we use the mobile phones, and right now we have seen a glasses. So the Meta glasses and also the Snapchat glasses, they have the new technology called holographic displays. So it made them possible to make the AR glasses, and also we can call them as the mixed reality glasses or maybe XR, extended reality glasses. So yeah, I think I hope I answered the question. So let us continue with the
Sir, there is an
PPT.
other question too.
Okay.
How does the Vision Pro handles hand
Amulya,
trap
Amulya,
and yes, sir.
we can post these questions in the end of the session.
Yeah, it's fine.
Yeah.
So that's where I think let us see the trends in AR and VR. So right now the metaverse, I think you can hear the name Meta. So it comes from the metaverse. So that's where the metaverse is right now blending the virtual and augmented realities into immersive social experiments. Experience. So that's where right now we can host meetings in virtual reality by using the metaverse, and also we can meet some people internationally with the metaverse, and there is no limitation for the metaverse. And also right now because of the AI thing, so that's where we are right now using the extended realities to build models like LLMs, so redefine the interactions in virtual spaces. And as I said, we discussed about Web AR and Web XR. So these are the two things where we use to build augmented reality and virtual reality websites, where we use the 3D modeling things in our website. And also, as I discussed, so AR glasses, right now they are the part of replacing the smartphones. So they have the capability, so we can place the we can wear use the glasses which can have a large 120 inches screen display, where we can directly stream or watch videos or maybe reply to text by using the voice. So that's how we are emulating the smartphones. And also the extended reality in remote work, so by having the headset, XR headsets, we can do remote work from anywhere in the world. So like placing the headsets, we can be seated in what metaverse to experience, to be in a room or to be in an office which is created at the metaverse. It's virtual reality. So the sustainable XR hardware, so right now there is a gap in between the price of virtual reality headset and extended reality headset. So that's where we are our company is addressing. So that's where we are developing purely Indian, made in India, make in India, and design in India headset. So I think it will be a game changing in the sector of India, we believe. So